I just received a 115-inch boneless couch. Let's go ahead and unpack this. All right, now that we got the pillows all fluffed up and we got this unpackaged, I'm gonna let this sit for about 24 to 72 hours and I'll check back with you later. Right here I have the absolute perfect cloud couch that you're looking for. What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I have this beautiful corduroy cloud couch that is 115 inches wide. Look at this thing. This is absolutely amazing. And as you can see, with me just sitting right on the center, I have tons of room on each side because these are very wide. You can see the nice bend in my legs. They actually sit pretty tall. Sometimes with cloud couches, you can get ones that are pretty low and they don't have enough of the cloud in them. And you're actually sitting like really low. I've seen ones like this. This is a great height, tons of room on each side. You know what's special about this, guys? You can actually get these with the ottoman over here on this side, and you can get one on this side. The way that they individualize this makes it a lot better for you to get the right one for your space. Now, as you can see here, you can drape a very nice contrasting color on your ottoman and make this just stand out and pop. I love having this nice orange yellow kind of look with the black. It pops and looks amazing. Amazing. Now guys, this cloud couch has so much padding. It's unbelievable. Check this out. Look at that rebound on that. Okay, that is pretty awesome. So that's just another thing that makes this cloud couch so nice. But as you can see with me jumping on that, there is a ton of high density foam in this, and it's a very high quality high density, feels super comfortable and provides a ton of support. This is huge. 115 inches makes you be able to seat 3 people on here, no problem. And if you do have kids or pets, as you can see here, I'm sitting here on the side pretty comfortable. I got my pillow, my arm is rested over here on the side. You even have room for your child to even sit next to you, or maybe even a pet, while you still have room for all these other guests. So honestly, you could probably seat 4 adults on here, no problem. But I love the ottomans. You can actually move these pretty easily. If you do want to just scoot that out of the way, you can move it over there, and that actually becomes another chair. So if you do have friends or family over, you can actually move that ottoman to the side and it can actually be a whole nother chair, providing a ton of seating options. And I have to say, with these ottomans, they are the perfect length. Now, the seats are going to be very deep, over 20 inches deep, and that's going to provide you with a ton of room to be able to actually sit back, relax, and be super comfortable on your couch. But the ottomans don't drop off as a short length either, guys. And with these ottomans being nice and wide, all I'd have to do is scoot this ottoman over, and the person sitting in the middle can actually share this with me, and it's not taking up any space that I'd be using anyway. And the ottoman is exactly the same height as the seats, so it doesn't feel like your legs are going down or up. It's overall just a perfect design. Let's go ahead and take a closer look. Now, I am a huge fan of the cloud couches because they are so comfortable. Check out this corduroy material, and as you wipe it, you can see that it makes a couple different directions of pattern, but very soft overall, easy to clean. I can actually take a handheld vacuum to this. I can just wipe it off real easy. It's very durable as well, and that's something that I do love about it. But these armrests are super wide and provide a ton of room on the top. Now, if you're like me, like to work on the couch, I do like to be able to fit my laptop on the side here, and this is a pretty big laptop and it stays nice on that armrest, so I can actually sit there, have it propped up on here, and I can work at the same time. I can actually take my morning cup of coffee and I can rest it here on my armrest, and I don't have to worry about it tipping over as long as I'm not jumping around, because it is nice and flat, and that's something that I do love. Now, I also love in the back there you have a bunch of room, so if you do want to set your cell phone on top in the back, maybe you have an outlet somewhere over on the side here, and I could just have my phone sitting on the back. You could also put TV remotes and stuff up here because this is fairly wide. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at these pillows. Guys, these are super comfortable and they fluffed up like nothing. So it was about 24 to 72 hours. I waited about 48 hours to get to this point. Super fluffy pillows after they started taking shape. Super nice feeling on the side, and as you lean on the armrest, definitely provides a ton of support. Now let's take a look at the pillows in the back, guys. These are huge, ultra wide pillows. That is very wide. and we got a lot of fluff in here, guys, but it is gonna feel like a little bit different of a material, really soft and comfortable. It's gonna conform to your body. So whether you're gonna be hanging out on your couch, watching a movie or your favorite TV show, or working, these are gonna provide a ton of support. Now, I do love the fact that you can arrange this a little bit as well. So if you do wanna separate some of these chairs, maybe you're having a party and you need a couple more seating in some different rooms, you can actually take these apart, push this to the side, you can put that in a different room, put that in a different room, space things out, and it really makes it dynamic. Another thing that I love about these cloud couches is it shows up in 2 boxes, and that's gonna make it really easy if you're getting some furniture for your dorm room, your apartment, or maybe you need to carry something upstairs. It's a lot easier to carry a box, open it up where you're at, and then it expands in seconds and takes form. And that's really nice. It makes it a lot more easy to transport. And guys, let's be honest, the absolute best part about these couches is there's zero assembly. You open the box, take shape, and you're done. So it doesn't get much easier than that. So especially if you're somebody that doesn't have time to build, maybe you need some more seating before an event, a party, this makes it a great option and very affordable. Overall, I am very happy with this cloud couch. This is my 3rd cloud couch from this same brand. They produce such high quality cloud couches that you can't go wrong. Make sure you check out all the other colors and variations they have to offer. Add this to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.